butt kissing, how do you say?
Yeah, the butt kissing. But then if you guys...
Acabamos de comer balls. Again. Now we're gonna go walk around a little, because there's some cute stores. Eu achei uma Atena. Que perfeita, eu vou levar.
Oh my god, look at the book. Like,
Oh my
it's
god.
so old. It's like an ancient artifact. Birthday queen.
This is my favorite part.
I love this.
This could be like a room in my house.
For sure. Like, honestly, for sure.
Isso aqui pra mim é perfeito. This song is Garota de Ipanema, like the girl from Ipanema, like a English version, but it's from Brazil.
Ah, okay.
Gente, olha isso. São peças da Chanel. E aqui na plaquinha fala que é autêntico dos anos 70 e 80 por $28.
What's her name?
Jupiter.
Jupiter. Ah, so cute.
So cute. A gente perguntou pro chefe da Nono se a gente pode ir pra Disney amanhã. Ele tá escrevendo agora. Porque assim, peraí, eu vou explicar. I'm gonna explain the situation. A Nono e a Manu trabalham numa empresa de tipo de intercâmbio, assim, né? E eles fazem vários tours pelos Estados Unidos. E eles vão fazer amanhã um pra Disney. E eles têm ticket sobrando e não dá pra pegar reembolso. Is he still typing?
But that makes me...
Sobrando e não dá pra pegar reembolso, então a gente poderia ir de graça. E a gente tá perguntando pra ele se a gente pode ir. E agora a gente tá esperando a resposta dele. Mas eu quero muito, imagina, a gente ir pra Disney de graça.
We sold 5 of the 9, so 4 left, but Atlantis sales are open. So if 3 or 4 students sign up through Atlantis, which I don't think so, you guys cannot go. So it's going to be a gamble. You would need to show up at the bus in the morning and hope.
I'm fine with that.
I feel like almost all students plan their weekend already. Take a gamble.
Yes!
Okay, so it's from him is a yes.
That's yes!
I actually like Obi's.
So pretty.
So pretty.
And it pretty. I suck at this. Okay, Nono is gonna do
Duolingo.
Portuguese. Duolingo.
A pão is... Ah, this is the one, the pão.
Pão, 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 pão. That was perfect. That was perfect.
Pão.
Pão, pão, pão. E manteiga is what you eat, the bread and butter. Manteiga is butter.
Manteiga is easy for me.
Manteiga.
Olete.
Leite.
Ah, esse é leite?
Leite.
Leite. Água.
Água.
Maçã. Maçã.
Maçã. This
This
thing
is
is
the...
when there's like a little squiggly thing on top of the A, it's like
So, but I is like
Eu.
Eu.
Perfect. I know it's not boy, because boy is human.
It's the opposite.
Girl? Yeah, I knew it was a woman also because I remember.
Because I told you like when that is behind the word is most of the time like a smaller version.
Meisje. Meisje?
Meisje.
Meisje. Ah, perfect. Meisje.
Meisje.
Het meisje. And vrouw is woman.
True.
Right?
But
And man?
this is like a word in between you have to put.
Ah, his. A man, he. No?
No.
A man.
It's really similar.
Or?
It's or, yeah.
Ah, a man or a...
Een jongen. Of een meisje.
Yes! A boy. Or a girl.
Yes.
A human of formation. Pegamos sushi. Agora vamos pra casa e assistir House of the Dragon. House of the Dragon. And I need to make Nono like Damon. Because he's the best character. fazer o restaurante da Tiana. Vai ser a nova atração daqui. Da Tiana, da Princesa e o Sapo. And it's like go non-stop. Like go one right after the other. In the sun, walking.
True.
Dead.
My eyes are like actually.
Yes. I can't, like, when I close my eyes, it's such a relief. I wish I could just stay with them closed.
Yeah.
But it's so nice. It's such a nice day.
It's perfect.
We just need more time to rest.
Or we eat first and then we get energy. But I
That's
rather
true.
chill after this one and just
Yeah.
like,
Yeah,
be
me
dead
too.
a little. Like
Yeah, we do this one and then we're done.
And then we're done.
Yeah.
We say it like it's like an exercise. Like we have to do it. But we actually enjoy it.
Yeah, it was really nice. But also very tiring. And it's not even that hot. Imagine doing this in the summer.
No, it was not.
Like
It was
sun burning
perfect
your head.
today. I think
Yeah.
I am a little sunburned. Like if I take the makeup off, I'm probably like a little red.
Here.
Too hot.
I was thinking also the same thing because like it says there's like 4 hours left.
Yeah, I think that's the thing. And it says exhausted, not empty. You know, like not dead.
Wake up, bro. You're already resting. I'm not. I'm walking. You should be up.
I'm tired.
I'm tired. I'm tired too.
I don't want to go anymore. Okay, vámonos.
Vámonos. Oh, what's the name of the ride we're going?
I don't know.
Star Wars.
Something.
My brain doesn't work anymore.
Something with Star Wars. I don't know anymore.
Okey-dokes, let's go. And then we
We
rest on
did
the line.
everything that we wanted. Like
Yeah,
after this
the
one. So that
nicest
is
one.
good. And the next time the adventure. Because there
Yes.
was no time to stop.
And then we can do Six Flags.
Sorry, maybe that go.
Thank you for joining.
Initiate two, blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to jump to light speed on.
Over there, up there.
Prisoners are secure.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong...
Oh,
You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
hey.
And keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lift at the end of the hallway. Turn right.
I will destroy you and the resistance.
So cute. So cute. These are nice.
Oh my god, I would buy this for my kid. Like,
Yes.
sure. Like, this is the one thing he can.
Smells so good. Gente, eles já abriram o restaurante da Tiana. Eu achei que tava fechado. Porque tá meio que... Acho que deve estar expandindo ou mudando, mas muito fofo. Completely and utterly dead. Like gone. No more battery, no more energy. Can't even talk. We're like just sitting here looking at the ceiling, just like, oh my god. Processing.
Processing.
And the pizza weren't good, like it wasn't good.
It was like flavorless, like zero flavor.
The garlic bread also wasn't good. It tasted like bread, dry bread. It's so bad. The tater tots were good. Ranking the food. The tater tots were good. The burger was dry.
Really dry.
And then after we had the ice cream, mine was really good because it was a surprise, like I wasn't expecting. Yours was good too, but like not.
Good, but it was not special. Like it was just like it's kind of flavorless. But
Yeah.
the chocolate chips were good.
Yeah, the chocolate chip was really, really good. And then my cookie, I wish I could like get more. I wish I got like 3 of the oatmeal raisin.
But you got milk.
Yeah, I got the chocolate chip. And now the pizza, that wasn't good.
That was really bad.
For Disney, we were expecting really good food, like 200 tickets to get in, and now this is the food, you know, like
Yeah, it's like flavorless.
dry. So cute. But this one looks kind of weird. So cute. I have this one at home.
But I would take it home.
And so comfy. But this one also is so nice.
How much do you think this costs?
They're so cool. Ah, this one is 6. Ah, cute. These are nice. They're like more low-key. But so far, comida na Disney não tá rolando, gente. Not good, not great. It's edible. But
It's edible, but I don't like.
yeah, but I don't really like. Chegamos. We're in the parking lot waiting for the bus. We're freezing. So cold.
It's insane.
It's actually insane. No, it's cold. So I'm dying.
This is a lot.
This is a lot. E o ônibus não tá aqui. O ônibus tá, tipo, vai demorar mais uns 30 minutes for the bus to get here.
Yeah.
Oh my god. 20, 30 minutos pra ônibus chegar. E a gente já tá aqui.
less than 20 minutes.
How many degrees is right now? You know?
So many questions. I don't know.
So many questions I don't have the
I
answers
looked
to.
it up. I don't know. 14.
14 graus. Oh my god, I'm freezing.
14 graus.
14